Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, I will share with you on how to make a smart dustbin using Maker Uno. The hardware needed are Maker Uno, ultrasonic sensor, micro servo and jumper wires. Connect the servo to ground, 3.3 volt and pin 3. For ultrasonic sensor, connect it to ground, 5 volt, 3 pin to pin 12 and echo pin to pin 11. Open a new sketch on Arduino IDE, copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Then, upload the code. In this sample code, when the ultrasonic sensor detects an object less than 10 cm, the Maker Uno will give a signal to the servo to open the dustbin's lid. Now, let's assemble all the components to the dustbin. You can adjust the distance for the object detected by the ultrasonic here. Let's try to change it to 15 cm and see the difference. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.